Welcome to Govindram Saxaria Science College, which is known for quality education and all-round development of individuals. GSS College is well known after Seth Govindram Saxaria. The college had been established in the year 1965 and spreads over 30 acres. It is affiliated to Rani Chennamma University. The college has been accredited by NAAC with A grade and 3.16 CGPA during the third cycle of re-accreditation. The college is committed with the vision of empowering the individual with knowledge.
Hello everyone, thinking of higher education after PUC, pure science is the best option as at present. We at GSS offer degrees both in BSc and BCA. If you are thinking of a degree course along with the all-round personality development that prepares you for both the employment and the research, then GSS is the right campus. Then why wait? Come and join us at GSS for a bright future in all your endeavors.
GSS College has a team of highly qualified and experienced faculties, running over 8 departments with well-equipped, spacious laboratories. The college library is adequately equipped and capable of accommodating 300 plus students, fully digitalized with a collection of 1 lakh books. Geology Museum exhibits a collection of 2000 plus specimens from India and abroad as well. The college has an effluent treatment plant and eco-friendly rooftop solar system. Also, the college has fully fledged recording room. The campus has a large playground covering nearly 6 acres. The botanical garden is an area of about 1.5 acres, whose biodiversity is of around 210 species, each labeled with an QR code providing its scientific information. Pula Deshpande Khula Rangmanch is the central point of cultural activities in the campus. The auditorium has a sitting capacity of more than 300. College has established the NCC, NSS cell and Youth Red Cross wing to inculcate discipline among students. College also has a multi-speciality gym, separate hostel for boys and girls and a canteen.
The college not only enhances academics but also develops a student's interpersonal skills by organizing science fests like Srujan, Inspire Internship Camp, seminars and workshops, and Parents Meet. College also conducts study tour, industrial visit to upgrade practical knowledge. Also, clean campus drive to induce a sense of responsibility. We have special cultural department which organizes Natya Venu, Tarang, and folk dance. College also conducts annual sports. We have a hobby center which aims earn while they learn. We have student organized clubs like Lakshya Club which work for development of society and individual. Galileo Astronomy Club with the aim of promoting amateur astronomy in college. Rotaract Club and Geoforum. The college has achievements in sports, NCC, cultural activities and many more. So we at GSS welcome you all to join and enjoy the privileges of this college.